Today I'm gonna give you an update on my cassava sticks, yuca sticks, esculenta manihot, whatever they say. But anyway, you can see some of them have sprouts already coming out of the axles, or whatever you call it, the nodes. Some of them only had one, some of them had two, some of them had three sprouts coming out on each node or whatever that. And this one particularly has none. The third, this one in front. And here's another set. All four of these have sprouted. Yeah, you can see they're greening. Yeah, there they are. But I have never checked the roots and see if they have rooted. And I will wait till the roots started to come out of the pots. So far, I don't see any roots coming out of the pots, so I don't want to dare pull them out. I just excited to see this sprouts, green leaves coming out of these sticks. So I'm happy. And right now it's snowing outside. We have 3 days of snow and hasn't melted yet, but maybe today it will start to melt. See, some even have big ones. Sprouts coming out, starting to elongate. Yep, I'm excited. I could hardly wait, but they say 2 years to have those roots coming out and under the ground you can harvest. So this year will be the first summer of it. As soon as the ground here had warm up in the spring or summer, I'll plant them right away into the ground and see what happened. Anyway, I'll keep you update on this. Thanks for watching my journey on the first time of doing this. Again, thanks for watching.